Are you a senior who feels like you're in a constant battle with cravings and discomfort? One moment, you're hit with a powerful urge for something sweet or salty, and the next, you're dealing with that uncomfortable, painful bloating that can throw off your whole day. It's frustrating, isn't it? It can leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and just not in control of your own body. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to help manage this? It's not some new fad from a pharmacy, but a tiny, ancient seed that's helping thousands of seniors just like you feel more energetic, handle their cravings, and ease that awful bloating. Stick with me, because we're about to explore how just 1 tablespoon of this seed in a simple glass of water could make a real difference in your health. Let's be honest. The golden years don't always feel so golden when you're struggling with these issues. You eat a healthy lunch, and by 3 p.m., you're fighting the urge to grab a cookie or a bag of chips. Or you enjoy a lovely dinner with family, only to spend the rest of the evening feeling swollen and gassy. These aren't just little annoyances. They get in the way of your quality of life, your sleep, and your confidence. You might think this is just a normal part of getting older that you have to put up with, but that might not be the whole story. The solution doesn't have to be a restrictive diet or complicated meal plan. It could be as simple as a powerful little habit that takes less than a minute. The answer we're talking about is the humble chia seed. These tiny black and white seeds were staples for ancient Aztec and Mayan cultures, who relied on them for sustained energy. Now, modern science is starting to confirm what they knew all along. These seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. 1. The magic gel, how it helps with cravings and bloating. So what's the secret inside this tiny seed? It's not magic, but it's pretty close. The real power gets unlocked when you add chia seeds to water. If you've ever tried this, you've seen it for yourself. Within minutes, the seeds absorb a liquid and form a thick gel around them. This gel is the key to helping with 2 of the biggest challenges many seniors face: cravings and bloating. First, let's talk about cravings. Those afternoon slumps and late-night snack attacks are often tied to your blood sugar. When you eat, especially something with simple carbs, your blood sugar can spike and then crash. That crash is what leaves you feeling tired and craving a quick energy fix, which is usually sugar. The gel from chia seeds changes this. When you eat it with your food, it forms a kind of barrier in your stomach that slows down digestion. This means the sugars from your meal are absorbed into your bloodstream at a much slower, steadier rate. No more sudden spikes and crashes. Instead, you get a steady release of energy that helps you feel full and satisfied for hours. Now for the bloating. That tight, uncomfortable feeling in your stomach is often a sign your digestive system needs a little support. As we get older, our digestion can become more sluggish, leading to constipation and gas. This is where the incredible fiber in chia seeds comes in. Just 1 tablespoon contains a good amount of fiber. This fiber, especially the kind that creates the gel, acts like a gentle regulator for your intestines. It helps soften your stool, which promotes regularity and prevents the backup that can cause bloating. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for healthy digestion. 2. Your new daily habit, the 1 tablespoon ritual. You might be thinking this sounds complicated, but I promise, it couldn't be simpler to work into your day. Here's all you have to do. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and stir them into a glass with about 8 ounces of water. You can also use other liquids like almond milk or a splash of fruit juice. Stir them well so they don't clump at the bottom. Then just let it sit. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll see the gel forming, but letting it sit for 20 minutes is even better. For a really smooth, pudding-like texture, you can even mix up the night before and pop in the fridge. Many health experts suggest drinking this in the morning. This can help you feel full and satisfied, often all the way until lunch. You can drink it straight, or if you want some flavor, a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime is great. Chia seeds themselves are very neutral, so they just take on the flavor of what you mix them with. You can also sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or stir them into oatmeal. The most important thing is consistency. Making this simple 1 tablespoon habit a part of your daily routine is what can lead to lasting results. 3. Beyond digestion, the full body benefits of chia seeds. While easing cravings and bloat is a huge plus, the benefits of chia seeds don't stop there. This tiny seed is packed with nutrients that support your whole body. First, let's touch on heart health. Chia seeds are a great plant-based source of an omega-3 fatty acid called ALA. These healthy fats are well known for helping to fight inflammation and support healthy cholesterol and blood pressure levels, which are all important for a healthy heart. Next is bone health, which is a major concern for all of us as we age. Our risk for osteoporosis goes up over time. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of bone-supporting minerals. They're packed with calcium and are also rich in phosphorus and magnesium, which all work together to help maintain strong bone density. Chia seeds also play a role in blood sugar management, which is incredibly important for anyone with diabetes or prediabetes. That same high fiber content that helps with cravings also helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing down how quickly sugar is absorbed after a meal. Studies have even shown that bread made with chia seeds resulted in a lower blood sugar response than regular bread. Finally, they can support your overall energy. By providing that steady release of energy and being full of antioxidants, chia seeds help protect your body cells from damage and fight inflammation from the inside out. If you found this information helpful and you're curious to see how this simple habit could help you, I'd be so grateful if you click that like button below. It truly helps the channel reach and support more seniors like you. And to make sure you don't miss our next video on senior wellness, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. We'd also love to hear from you. Have you tried chia seed before? What was your experience like? Or maybe you have another natural tip for dealing with cravings or bloating. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your story might just be the one that inspires someone else to take a step toward better health. For a quick word of caution. Now, while chia seeds are safe and beneficial for most people, it's always good to have all the facts. Because they're so high in fiber, it's best to start slow. Begin with just 1 tablespoon a day to give your system time to adjust. If you add too much fiber too quickly, you might get some temporary gas or bloating while your body gets used to it. It's also really important to drink plenty of water when you eat chia seeds. Since they soak up so much liquid, you need to stay hydrated to help that fiber do its job correctly. Finally, and please, this is very important. If you're taking any medication for high blood pressure or diabetes, you should talk to your doctor before making chia seeds a daily habit. Because chia seeds can naturally help lower blood pressure and blood sugar, they might interact with your medication. A quick chat with your healthcare provider will make sure this healthy habit is right and safe for you. So, that's the scoop on the small but mighty chia seed. It just goes to show you that sometimes the best solutions for our health challenges are the simplest ones. By trying out the simple daily habit of 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water, you're taking a positive step towards better digestion, more stable energy, and a body that feels more comfortable and strong. You're choosing to nourish yourself with food that supports your heart, your bones, and your overall vitality. You deserve to feel vibrant, energized, and in control of your health every single day. Give this simple ritual a try, and you might just be surprised at how much better you can feel. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.